Hello everyone, and welcome back to the newfound Thrifts channel. Today I'm going to make a backpack with these pants I found at the thrift store. Let's get started. I used an old, broken bag to get the zippers and other supplies I needed. Previously loved sponsor me LOL. Chop chop. I cut my bag pattern out of the jeans and added a liner. Added stabilizer to the front and back panels. I pinned on the pockets, belt loops, and other things. Sewing the zipper panels in place. And the straps. Front and back panels ready to be overlocked, and put together with the zipper. Perfect pocket to carry around my needle book. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be posting more pictures of this bag on my Instagram if you would like to see more. Thank you for watching, see you next time.